brush. Fluffy brush. Fluffy brush. My life. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Zena and I'm here today to get ready because I have nothing else better to do with my life today. So, I don't know. Let's get into it. Alright, so I just washed my face and get my hair out of the way. First thing I'm going to start with is moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I've been using right now. It's called Green Tea EGCG Concentrate Cream. It has potent antioxidants in it and it's actually working pretty well. It's from brand 100% pure and it's natural and vegan. It doesn't really smell like anything. It says it's green tea, but it doesn't really have that strong scent. I spread this just pretty much all over my face because my face is drier than the Sahara Desert. I've also been in the process of cleaning and organizing my room. I've been changing around a lot. Let that dry a little bit. Then to do is I put the color correcting stick. Is from Elle. Works pretty well. I like this one. It's pretty smooth. If I have a breakout, then I'll usually put the green one on top because that cancels out the redness. And then I'll just blend this into my skin. I've been using this one as well. I actually see a lot of YouTubers use this. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This one's in the color Sand. This one works the best with my skin tone. Has a little bit of a yellow base, so it's nice. Nice. Blend that in. It's like a little bit lighter than my normal shade. It hides my dark circles. Okay. Now foundation. This one's just been a stick from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. It's vanilla beige. But instead of blending that all up, you just use a fluffy brush. Fluffy brush. It's not from any brand. I have honestly no idea where I got this one from. No, and my other brush that I use is a Morphe one, M512. This one's Wet n Wild. I don't even know when I got this one, but it works pretty well. It has both the, what do you call this thing? The lighter and the darker part. Okay, go back in with the lighter one. Done, good to go. This is my face with just moisturizer, which is kind of what I use for a primer as well sometimes, depending on what kind of look I'm going for. But everyday natural stuff, I just use moisturizer. But this is the face primer I've been using. Not bad, it's very moisturizing, so I'm not complaining. I'm gonna use some highlighter just because I can. Highlight them cheekbones. Cash out glow. I'm using this really purple shade. You can never have enough highlight. I've been using this thing called Agave. I actually like it a lot. It's my life. Anyways, it smells pretty good. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using Morphe Java Brown. This stuff is so creamy and it works so well. Pigmentation is great and it stays on almost all day. But I just use this double-ended brush. Make sure you fill in all the bald spots. I'm not sure if I like this. And then just blend it in with my natural brow. And now I do the other one. Close enough. I also, oh, I forgot to do my nose contour. Well, here is some blush. So I'm gonna use this little thing. Literally only have one of these. I'm using another e.l.f. blush and bronzer contouring thing. It's like a half and half. I like to go all the way up to where my eyebrow is, so it just kind of creates a shadow to make it look like I have a nose bridge, because I don't have a nose bridge. Like I do, but I don't. It's really tiny. Now it looks like I have a nose bridge. Blend that out with my blender brush. something else I got from eBay, I'm pretty sure, so there's no brand. They work. This is another Wet n Wild one. It's just nude colors, really. Just a regular eyeshadow brush. Usually mine are pretty small because I have small eyelids. But you just put a light color like this one. There's no name to it. Put that on my whole entire lid. And then I layer up after. There's a base color. I use a darker one. Not the black, but this like greenish, brownish color. Whatever it is. That usually goes on my bottom eyelid because I have no bottom lashes. I feel like I keep leaning. So now it looks like I have some definition to my eyes and I don't look like I'm dead. Same thing with the other one. Put on the outside corner. On where the crease is supposed to be and put some more color. Okay, and now that both of them are pretty even, usually I like to fill in the top part of my eyebrow, whatever left over. I just put on my eyebrows, make them a little bit more filled, and all my hairs like to point downwards. I should get my eyebrows laminated so all my hairs stick up, but maybe one day. Okay, eye makeup done. Now I just gotta put on some lashes. This is what they look like. Very wispy. They're not the best kind, but you know what? It'll do. Okay, I'm using strip adhesive with aloe in it. It's formaldehyde free, which is great. I did not know that they made eyelash glue with formaldehyde before, so I stopped using that kind. This is also by Kiss, and I used Kiss one before, but it was like the white one, the white tube. This one's black, and it works just as well. I was really hesitant on getting something like this just because I didn't think that it would have the same hold effect, but it actually is not bad at all. I just put it directly straight up on the lash. Okay, it should be tacky enough now. How I put these on, I normally just measure above where my lash line is and plop them on. I always make sure that my corners are on secure because it'll look really funny if they're just sticking straight up. It won't look natural. So you can really see a difference between my right eye and my left eye. Lashes make a difference. I feel like they just open up your face and give you the extra oomph. You know? I feel like I'm living in the jungle. The birds are so loud. I didn't even know that we had that many birds outside. I don't even have a tree in my front yard anymore. I used to, but usually I always forget to do my lashes. That's the last part. I'm like, okay, I'm done. And then I've actually gone out before forgetting that I haven't finished my makeup. Thought I finished the look, but I really didn't. You know, good times. Okay, this one's going on now. We're almost there. Everything is fine. So close, but yet so far.
One eternity later.
So, got that one on. Why do they look different? Okay, there we go. Lashes on. I'm like the type of person where I have to organize as I'm actually doing something, because if not, it'll drive me insane. Okay, camera decided to die, but this is a eyeliner pen. Works pretty well. It is from Miss Rose. Has a really nice pen tip. It is really sharp. After I put on my lashes, use this and put it on the inside corner so it blends in with the eyelash strip and also the outer corner to make a wing. Okay, for the most part, if you can see, the inner corners of my eyes are drawn in. Now I have to do the outer corner. I have to flip down the eyelashes to see where I'm gonna be drawing the line. I said that I was gonna do natural look. I guess I'm glam today. Okay, so I put my liner in. And I gotta do the hair. Maybe I'll just keep it down. don't really feel like messing with it, but I kind of want something different today. Maybe I'll just do like some light curls on the bottom of it, because the top is like 1 day old hair. It smells like breakfast. Alright, so my hair, I don't think I'm gonna keep straight. Be right back. Here's the final look, and I just have to go get dressed and we're ready for the day. So that's it for this video. If you like this content, or if you don't, let me know. Comment, subscribe, and like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Catch you guys later.